Hey everyone, I finally made it into Joann's. I'm actually really excited to be here. Everything, it looks like 60% off. Holy smokes, I hope I didn't miss it. But tons of wreath right here. It looks like this is more like an Arctic type. So we have Silent Night with the polar bear. And check out this beauty. Isn't this so amazing? So $50, 60% off. That's actually a steal. Right here. Got like that faux wood. It's not real. $4.50. So $49.99 makes it 20. Oh wow. And the snowflakes. Oh, you know what? They do light up. Oh, look at that. Only 20. $49.99. And I absolutely love this sign. Merry and bright with the penguins at the bottom, snowflakes on top. Cute little penguins for $25. Really cute gift boxes, all different sizes. Snowman, a bear, and a fox. They have a mini one and just a little mini snowman. Look at this one. It's really cute with the deer, and it comes with a bow, and a large one with that doggy home for the holidays. Bring in some wine, merry and bright, and of course some more doggies. I like this reindeer one, very vintage. And oh, look at them. That's really funny. And Christmas ornaments, 60% off, so $12.99. Oh, is that toilet paper? That's kind of funny. You need a little toilet paper. Little rainbow cotton candy machine. Oh, that's a new one. That's kind of cool. Bah humbug. Santa in the sleigh. Oh, there's like a little gumball one and a peppermint. You know what? I have never tried any peppermint frappuccinos ever at Starbucks. I'm not somebody who needs it.
I don't think I've ever tried Starbucks.
Yeah. I think I'm kind of lame. Look at that doggy with the star. Here's another one. Oh, they have a cat. Looks like a little tabby, maybe.
I miss tabbies.
Quite a few animals down here at the bottom. Look at that cat. They're in a stocking. Oh, there's a little bear. He would look cute if he had a wreath around him. Oh, large elephant. You have the hippo. Oh, gosh. Look at this skunk, you guys. So different. This could be a little shade. Give them, somebody who's like not so nice to you, but you give them something.
Yeah, you stink.
Give them a little shade with that ornament.
I'm a skunk with some cologne perfume.
So adorable.
Give them that with soap. There you go. Stink.
Look at these shells. They have like pearls on them for 10. They are breakable. Is that a stingray? I've never seen one. That's kind of cool.
Our son was showing us dried stingrays. They look like aliens.
Yeah. Well, look at this little crab. Isn't that the neatest thing ever? I love looking at all the different decor. Oh, look. You eat that.
That's good stuff.
There's a little Santa with the tree on him. I like this peppermint one. I feel like most of the good ones are gone.
I know this little candy one is cool. It's glass.
This is nice too. Oh, I love it. They even had the velvet, more glass, and the ruby red and green. And there's even like a large TV. Oh, this candy cane is see-through with candy on the inside.
It reminds me of those ones with the bath oils.
Yeah.
The green bath oil.
And the tree. Oh, look at Santa and his little legs. Oh, wow. Blueberries. Strawberry chocolate dipped. They got a banana. A banana, hot dogs. Oh, wow. Turkey. Here's more rainbow stuff. Look at the popsicle. Flamingos. Look at, they're going on vacation too, but they're sand. I love it. Take me with you. Ooh. Oh, he's having a good old time.
This
you know that?
Cool.
He is cool.
That's a cool.
That is cool. Little dart.
A glue gun.
Yeah. Baby's first Christmas. Oh, look, they're getting married. Really, really cool. I love this one. Actually, you know what? Walmart has like stuff like this. $29.99. It looks really, really nice from far away. But then when you pick it up, I know it's on sale. It's really thin. The little wood trees in Walmart are really thick. So the quality of this one is not there. These are nice as well. These are really heavy. Let's see. $49.99 and 60% off. Oh, I love it. I believe this might do it for my Joann's, you guys. A lot of it has been picked through already. I just still can't believe it because, Thanksgiving's coming up this week, and normally I'm used to all this stuff, like getting ready to film it. Now it's just like early. People are grabbing early. It's making it feel like it's going by really fast. Like I can't believe Thanksgiving is this week. Where is the time going? Look at that one with the mushroom decor. That's different. They do have a mushroom wreath that I see around springtime. I like it. I like it. It's different. Some doggy sweaters, little dog toys and leashes, and baskets in here. What are these? Napkins. Okay, those are $35. Oh, look, they even have the mushroom salt and pepper shaker. I could dig it. I like that. I kind of like this. Just don't eat them if you find them in your backyard, okay? And the sewing machines, those are cool. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It looks like a few more Christmas items. I'm loving that Arctic one. I might have came late. Let me see, these are plates, right? Yeah, $5.99. Maybe a star or a tree. It's like a little star one. They do have trays of snowman. And here is your Santa. He's happy. I bring joy. And the bowls are $5.99 on top. Oh, there's like cookie jars too. Salt and pepper shakers. Those are cool. Some pillows. Alright you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. And look at that snowman. He's like, hey, come out and play with me. I'm waiting.